Unfortunately, I've been sick the last couple of days, so I haven't made a lot of content. However, of course, I've been printing. Now, what have I been printing? Check this out. So it's all been printed on the FLSun V400 in Polymaker PLA, Silk PLA, and the charcoal black. Look at this pile. Now, granted, this wasn't all printed all at once like this, but you get the point. I haven't filmed anything in between, but let's put this together. You gotta check it out. It looks amazing. So as you saw, that was a lot of fun. Yeah. We have some extra parts. Some of them are broken. But ultimately, I guess they weren't needed. Some need to be glued down. Well, we'll do that later. But ultimately, I've got myself a TIE fighter. Not too shabby. Needs a little bit of deburring, a little cleaning up. But overall, what do you think? Now, if this doesn't explode in the night by itself, I'll be surprised because some of the force I had to put on this thing to put it together, woof, very surprising that it won't just blow up. But yeah, pretty cool. Check it out.